the way it starts out is you're sharing what you do, and you want to have your one-liner ready to go. So when you're talking to people, you want to have that opening one-liner so that when people ask you what it is that you do, if you're a house flipper, maybe it's, hey, I flip houses just like you see on HGTV. And I have investors that work with me in these deals earning better than average returns. Or you could say, I buy, renovate, and sell houses just like you see on HGTV. So you want to have some way of conveying what it is that you do that will trigger automatically for people in their minds that that's what you do. So if you're buying mobile home parks or you're buying multifamily buildings, you're doing real estate development, you can put that a number of ways. I buy multifamily properties in the Southeast, typically institutional quality, class A and B, 200 units plus or minus in really good primary, secondary markets throughout the Southeast United States. And so you can just kind of start the conversation there, and people are going to say, hey, tell me more. Let me know more about that, right? So that's when you can set that follow-up meeting, if it's that 3-touch rule and you're dealing with qualified investors, so that you can set up a follow-up meeting to kind of talk to them a little bit more, get to know them. But generally, you want to have that one-liner, that elevator pitch, that clear, succinct sentence on what it is that you do very quickly so people know exactly what it is. If you're a capital raiser, which you can do, right? So you can focus on just raising capital, pooling investors into a fund to then fund other people, right? A lot of private lenders and a lot of hard money lenders, that's what they are. They're a fund of funds. A lot of those lenders borrow money to lend. So they'll take equity in their house and lever it up and borrow money to lend. So if you're a fund of funds, you can straight up say, hey, I raise capital to invest in multifamily properties throughout the Southeast with qualified sponsors and operators. You can say, hey, I raise capital to fund house flippers, people that buy, renovate, and sell houses just like you see on HGTV. And these funds offer better than average returns. So that's the kind of way that you can open up dialogue with people. You can put that one-liner out there and open up the conversation with people and explain what it is that you do.